house and apartment. Hello everyone, kamusta kayong lahat? Ito po ang na-visit natin at na-locate na bahay. Bagong gawa pa, bungalow type with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Eto't may sariling gate, may provision para sa window type na aircon, may sariling metro ng kuryente at tubig, pwedeng magtindahan dito sa part ng bahay. Ito naman yung kanyang sala, living room, dining area, naka-tiles na ang flooring at bagong pintura. Ito yung laundry area. Yes kids, yes pets allowed, and yes parking. Very spacious ng bahay, maganda na at bagong gawa pa. Ang location nito sa Imus City, Cavite, Philippines. Ito yung bedroom na may provision para sa window type na aircon. Napakaluwag na yan. Ito, chine-check natin itong buong bahay. Ulit, ito po ay bungalow type na house and apartment with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom na pwedeng magtindahan dito sa Imus City, Cavite, Philippines. Ito pong video ngayong June 2025 po. Maganda yung bahay, maganda rin yung location, malapit sa school, walking distance sa highway, may malapit na market, and inside subdivision, good community, and flood-free location. Ito naman yung bathroom, meron yung flush, merong lababo, at merong shower. Ito po yung full video ng bagong gawang bahay dito sa Imus City, Cavite, Philippines. 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Yun lang po at maraming salamat. Paalam!